Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by checking device compatibility and software. You need an iPhone 12 or later running iOS 16 or later to add MagSafe widgets. Update iOS in settings if necessary. Ensure your MagSafe accessory is properly attached and aligned to the iPhone back. MagSafe compatible accessories attach magnetically to your iPhone for reliable alignment. Understand widget sizes before you begin. Widgets come in 3 sizes: small, medium, large to fit home screen layouts and provide different information densities. Long press any empty area on the home screen until icons jiggle and edit mode appears. Tap the plus button in the top left corner to open the widget gallery. Scroll or search for a MagSafe compatible app that offers a widget and select it. Choose a size and variant, then tap Add Widget to place it on the screen. Drag the widget into the desired position and tap Done to lock its position. Test the widget by tapping it to confirm expected app behavior. Customize a MagSafe widget by long pressing it and selecting Edit Widget to change settings. Many apps let you switch data views or refresh intervals within the edit screen. Create a smart stack by dragging one widget atop another to save screen space. Swipe through stacked widgets to view different information without leaving the home screen. If a widget fails to update, remove it and re-add it after restarting the iPhone. Remove a widget with long press and remove widget to troubleshoot persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.